Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make super delicious Korean fried chicken. This dish is crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and coated with a sweet and spicy sauce that clings to every piece. One bite, and I promise, the flavor is just incredible. Let's start with the ingredients. For the chicken, I'm using boneless chicken thighs, cut into evenly sized chunks. For the seasoning, you'll need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, cooking wine, minced garlic, 1 egg, cornstarch, and breadcrumbs. For the sauce, prepare Korean chili paste, gochujang, ketchup, honey, sugar, soy sauce, and a bit of water. First, let's prepare the chicken. Place the chicken pieces in a large bowl, then add salt, pepper, soy sauce, cooking wine, and minced garlic. Mix well with your hands so the chicken fully absorbs the flavors. Once mixed, let it marinate for about 20 minutes to make it extra flavorful. While the chicken is marinating, let's make the sauce. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of Korean chili paste, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add a little water and stir until smooth. Your sauce is ready. After 20 minutes, the chicken should be well marinated. Crack an egg into the bowl and mix so each piece is coated in egg. Next, coat the chicken pieces in cornstarch. Then roll them in breadcrumbs until they're evenly covered. Time to fry. Heat oil in a pot to around 160 degrees C, 320 degrees F. Fry the breaded chicken pieces over medium-low heat until they turn golden. Remove them. Raise the oil temperature to 180 degrees C, 355 degrees F, and fry them again for about 30 seconds. This double fry method makes the chicken extra crispy. Set the fried chicken aside. In another pan, pour in the sauce and simmer over low heat until it thickens. Add the fried chicken pieces, and quickly toss so every piece gets coated in that rich, sticky sauce. And there you have it, delicious Korean fried chicken. Just look at that glossy, red color and breathe in that amazing aroma. Take a bite. The outside is perfectly crisp, the inside is juicy and tender, and the sweet spicy sauce is so addictive you'll keep reaching for more. This dish isn't just tasty, it's also easy to make. So grab your ingredients, give it a try, and enjoy a satisfying, happy meal with your family.